A good set of cooking spoons is an essential part of any well-equipped kitchen. Cooking spoons come in a variety of materials like stainless steel, wood, silicone, and nylon, each offering unique benefits depending on the type of cookware and recipe you're working with. In this guide, we'll highlight the best 5 cooking spoons that stand out for their durability, versatility, heat resistance, and user-friendly designs. Number 5. Wooden Utensil Set. Wooden spoons for cooking. Wooden cooking utensils set with holder, spoon rest hooks, teakwood non-stick kitchen cookware, 8-piece set of wooden utensils with 6 metal hooks. About this item, lifelong quality. Wooden house kitchen utensils will last a lifetime. They are made of one-piece 100% natural teak wood. These tools are beautiful, solid, sturdy, smooth, well designed and have a superb finish. Spoon set will definitely not crack, melt or smell. All in on set of 8, the only set that includes 6 cooking utensils that meet all your cooking needs. A wooden barrel, that has plenty of storage, has drainage holes and it sure does not tip over. A spoon rest, for a clean and practical cooking experience. And 6 hanging hooks to hang this wooden art. Number 4, cooking spoon for non-stick cookwares, great for cooking and serving. Sturdy BPA-free matte silicone, wood handle spoon for mixing, scoop, and scrape, black gray, 11.4 inch. About this item, heat resistant and sturdy. Our silicone cooking spoon is specially designed to withstand high temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for all your cooking needs, whether it's stirring, scooping, or serving. Comfortable grip and ergonomic design. The ergonomic wooden handle of our cooking spoon provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control and reducing hand fatigue during long cooking sessions. Integrated tool rest prevents the head from touching the work surface when placed down. Number 3, Zulay Kitchen 6-piece wooden cooking spoon set, heat resistant, smooth teak utensils with comfort grip, lightweight, durable, easy to clean, perfect for non-stick cookware. About this item, top-notch craftsmanship. Our kitchen premium wooden utensils for cooking are specially made, high-quality wooden utensils that serve all your cooking needs. Our wooden kitchen utensil set consists of 6 utensils that include a salad spoon, salad fork, serving spoon, skimmer, spatula and turner. These wood utensil set bring a classic and elegant touch to your kitchen with the perfect assortment of practical sizes that are ergonomically shaped for the ideal functionality. Number 2, Rivera Bamboo wooden spoons for cooking 6-piece, apartment essentials wood spatula spoon non-stick kitchen utensil set, premium quality housewarming gifts for everyday use. About this item, practical design and functionality, designed to perform an array of kitchen tasks. This wooden kitchen utensil set features contoured heads so you can perform precise functions. Smooth, comfortable handles make using them easy. Included slotted, solid, and turner wooden spatula makes flipping omelets. Number 1, 9-piece natural teak wooden kitchen utensil set with spoon rest, comfort grip cooking spoons and utensils holder. About this item, wooden spoon holder spoon rest. In contrast with others, our wood spoons comes with a spoon rest and a holder so you can easily rest and neatly store your spoons and spatulas on your counters during cooking and after cooking. There is a leak hole at the bottom of the spoon holder, so don't worry about water accumulation. 9-piece wooden spoon set, a complete wood kitchen utensils that features all the essential cooking tools including a flat spatula, fried spatula, slotted spatula, kitchen utensil holder, spoons rest, strainer spoon, salad fork, salad spoon, mixing spoon. Covers all your kitchen needs from stirring to cooking.